How did I almost say no to one of the most unforgettable gigs of my life? Let me tell you. A few weeks ago, I got a call from Steve Abbey, aka El Gato, inviting me to be part of this first compa orchestra for the sold-out Mother's Day concert at the Hard Rock in Orlando, with none other than Arlie Levier. I'm going to be honest. At first, I almost said no. I didn't even really know compa music, which is honestly pretty embarrassing for a musician. But the moment I started listening to it, I understood why the Haitian community loves it so deeply. The rhythm is hypnotic, emotional, sensual, and one of the most intoxicating grooves I have ever experienced. What I thought was going to be just another gig became one of the most meaningful musical experiences of my career. 3 rehearsals going until 11 p.m. after teaching all day at the academy, and somehow we still didn't want to stop playing. That's how you know that the music is magical. Then something even crazier happened. After Arlie Levier watched our Ocan Symphony performance in Walla Walla, he invited Mags and me to sing a song with him in Spanish and gave us a featuring on his show. And that moment meant so much to me because it showed the kind of artist he is. Someone who recognizes talents, opens doors, and shares the spotlight. That night, seeing 3,000 people from the Haitian community dressed up beautifully, celebrating Mother's Day, singing every word, it was powerful. You could feel the love, the pride, the culture, the elegance in the room. As a violinist, singer, and songwriter, this experience inspired me deeply. So if you don't know compa music yet, or if you don't know who Arlie Levier is, do yourself a favor and go listen right now. Trust me, you're going to fall in love with it too. And if you're in Miami, don't miss his show September 25th at the Kaseya Center. It's going to be an unforgettable night.